Today, I'm gonna try to learn a basic parkour move, one I think is really cool, the wall spin. Now, some of you guys might be thinking, yo man, you should learn the palm spin before you learn the wall spin. But you know what? Why learn the palm spin when you can just learn the wall spin? That's the way I see it. So man, we're just gonna go outside and try to huck one on the wall. All right, see what happens. But I gotta focus. Well, it's actually kind of warm out today. All right, first things first, I should probably warm up a little bit. All right. I gotta think wall spin. Oh, shoot. Whoa. Okay, so I think you gotta just like, oh, okay. Same outfit on that I use in all of my videos. Oh, shoot. Okay. All right, hold on. All right, man, what are you gonna do? You just gotta go for it, you know what I mean? No, all right, I'm too gumpy right now. Hold on, I've got an idea. All right, what am I doing? Exactly what it looks like I'm doing. A taste of my own medicine. Mattress. So apparently, it's easier to do it on a slanted surface. Well, I mean, I guess that totally makes sense because, you know, you could sit more on it because it's more horizontal instead of just dropping you straight down. So I don't really have a slanted surface, so I made one with the mattress. All right, I'm gonna try and get it down and move it closer and closer to the wall and see if I can get it. And then when we're close, maybe I'll just put the mattress up against the wall and try to do it on the wall. You know, like what the heck it is. Oh. Oh. Scoop. Oh. Shoot. Just do it. Oh. 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 I think that would have been close. Oh, that would have been it, man. That would have been so it. Oh, dang. All right, I'm getting close enough. Back to outside. Back to outside. Let's do this. I took my socks off. Yeah, I know. Honestly, I think I'm a tricker at heart, even though I suck. It's wall time. You just gotta do it, man. Don't hit your toe coming up. Oh, that would hurt really bad. Oh, gosh. You gotta do it. Ooh. All right, didn't hurt. Now I'm good. You just gotta get that first one out of the way. So close. All right, so like after watching that back, I realized that I am so low to the ground, I need to get higher. I think that's my major problem. So we're gonna jump higher. I can do it, I know I can do it. I can do it, you gotta focus. Oh yeah, what? Oh! That was real. That was totally real. Totally real. When you say totally, it sounds fake. That was my first wall spin ever. Does it count when I don't have shoes? Okay, because I know like parkour, you gotta wear shoes kinda, right? All right, let's huck one for the slow-mo. Hopefully I get this one good. Alright, so it's actually like really nice out, so I just threw on a pair of my favorite red shorts and gonna go to the park and trick. Hopefully it's not too muddy. I'm excited, it's warmer than normal. just got done tricking for a whole entire hour. I did not try the wall spin anywhere. It's pretty flat around here. I mean, there's some buildings over there, but you know what? I don't want to right now, okay? Jeez. There's actually a spot at school that I kind of want to try it on. It's got wood chips. Maybe I'll keep my shoes on this time. See if I can do it. Something I've been working on, something I've been struggling with, just kind of clicked today. I switched legs, started jumping off my right leg. The aerial, man. Whew. So when I was attempting the aerial in my other video on the inside of the house, oh, so close. I had a lot of trouble. I decided to approach it from the B-kick way. I kind of always ended up having the sloppy legs, right? My legs just never looked right. I never felt like I was doing anything significant. But today I decided to approach it from the other way, the way I like to do the side flip from. I know I'm all screwed up, but whatever, I don't even care. So when I was approaching it, I was really focusing on kicking my left leg up super hard and jumping with my right leg, trying to do basically like, you know, like a cartwheel, the aerial. And I think getting a little bit more speed, really focusing on that stretch, really helped me get around and get over and really clean it up. A lot of those attempts still weren't that good, but I did have one that just felt right. It felt right. It felt like an aerial. So headed to the gym now, gonna train some power moves, and then I'm gonna do some calisthenics. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's get to it. Just in case you're confused, took them off, slipped them off right here. I don't like to wear shorts when I train upper body, so power moves, push-ups, planches, pull-ups. It's because, you know, my upper body gets a pump and it makes my calves look even smaller than they already are. So we can't have that. Press for time, but let's do it, baby. Oh. Ah. Get it, put it away. Oh, don't go in that pocket. What does it look like? So I'm pushed on time, so I gotta bounce. Didn't even do pull-ups, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna modify what I just did. I'm just gonna keep today a pushing day, and I'm gonna do pulling tomorrow, and then legs the next day. So I'm gonna change everything around. All right, this wall right here. Oh. All right. Had to throw that in there because I said I would, right? On a legit wall with shoes. Frick. All right, guys, that's it. I'm pretty happy with my wall spin. I know the form wasn't the best, but you know what? Honestly, I should have timed that. I'm surprised I didn't time that. Being honest, probably about 12 minutes from the time I started the attempts to the time I got my first land. But cumulatively, I mean like 4 minutes really. Yeah, that's right under 5 minutes. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll probably try some more moves. I'm thinking about the wall cork next. I don't know. Hope that video was entertaining. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. More videos coming out. Turn those notifications on. Peace. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video.